What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. This video I am installing a wig from Donmily Hair. All of their information will be in the description box below. So let's go ahead and take out this wig. This is a really cute, beautiful highlight wig, and it is a V-part wig. You guys know I love these V-part wigs because they're so cute, fast and easy to install. This one comes with the snap clips in the front, which you know is my personal favorite. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first I'm just gonna go ahead and block out where I want my part to be, which is a middle part for this style. I'm sure you could do like an off-center side part if you wanted to, but I'm gonna stick to the middle parts because it's simple. So I'm just gonna make sure my part looks straight. And then I'm going to part out where I want my anchor braids to be on the sides. And I'm not going to leave out like a ton of hair around where my middle part is, only because you don't need a lot of hair at all for V-part wigs. That's why I love these so much. But you do want to make sure you leave out enough hair to cover your tracks, because they will show if you don't leave out enough. And now I'm just going through and braiding down my anchor braids. Here you can get a better idea of how much hair I left out. It looks like about 1/2 inch, which is the perfect amount. Next, you want to go ahead and slap your wig on your head and go ahead and start adjusting the wig to fit correctly. So I start with the back clip first, just so the wig has something to grab onto. And then I start to add the side clips and the clip in the bottom. But I don't latch anything on right away, because usually I don't like how it fits immediately. Like, you have to make sure it fits comfortably. So if you need to like adjust things, or move it around to make sure it's comfortable on your head, then do so. That's why I don't recommend like snapping it right away. Then lastly, I'm going to attach the clip in the back and the clip on the sides, and then we are good to go. Make sure it fits comfortably, give it a little tug, and yeah, make sure you can move your face, because that's important. And then we are good to go, and I'm just going to go ahead and snap everything down into place. Okay, and now this is what we have. I'm gonna go ahead and just like comb through my hair. It is so nice and fluffy and pretty, and with this like with these highlights, it's giving me curl vibes. So I may go ahead and curl this hair, but before doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges. So when I do my edges, I like to start with my sideburns first, and then I like to work my way up. It's just easier for me that way. I don't know why, but it just is. But if you didn't see the type of edge control I was using, it's the Eco Booster edge control in the red color. I don't know if this is any different than the other colors. They all say like extra hold. It's all right. It's a pretty all right edge control. I just use it for now because I don't know if anything else better to use. But if you have any ideas, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. But yeah, so I'm just going through and swooping my edges. I feel like my edges are getting thinner because of all these wigs that I be wearing. That's why I kind of like these V-part wigs, to give my edges a break from like lace wigs and all of that, because girl, they be tugging on them edges. Look. So now I'm just going to go ahead and ride the struggle bus and try and finish my edges so that I can complete this look. I'm going to go through and curl this hair with my giant, I think this is like a 1.5 inch or 2 inch curling iron. But a lot of you always ask me where I get this curling iron from. I think I got it from like either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I'm not particularly sure which one, but the brand is Hot Tools. And they usually sell those at like Marshalls and TJ Maxx. But if you're interested, you can, like look up Hot Tools online. I'll see if I can find like a similar one online. And if I do, I'll link it below, but I can't make any promises. Yeah, so now I'm just going to go through and curl all of my hair to complete this look. Hey, and 10 years later, I'm done curling my hair, and now I'm going to go through and try and blend my real hair, my leave out, with this weave. RIP to my leave out. It has been fried like 11 times. Like it's not ever gonna grow. I've kind of like given up hope. And here we go again, flat ironing my hair with no heat protectant because I just have no regard for my real hair. Don't be like me. But yeah, as you can see, like I only left that little bit of hair out, and that's all you need. It blends seamlessly. And lastly, I'm just going to take some scissors and cut some layers just like into the front of the hair. I like doing this because to me it makes the hair sit better. Like right here, it looks all flat, but as soon as I like cut layers into the front, like it just makes it look fuller and it shapes your face better. And to me, it just makes the style look better, especially like when you're curling the hair. I don't know, personal preference, you don't have to do it, but I prefer, it just looks better in my opinion. And a whole 15 minutes later, we were finally done with this install. No, I'm just kidding. No, this whole thing probably took me like 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes to install, only because like I was taking my time and I curled my entire head. But if you don't curl your hair, it won't take that long. So here you can see how how my leave out is blending with this hair. It looks super gorgeous. I 10 out of 10 recommend this wig. First of all, let's get into the color. It is super pretty. Like I love the light brown highlights and just the brown overall, and I like how the roots are black, so it makes it easier to blend with your natural hair. This hair is so soft, it's so pretty. I haven't had any issues with shedding or anything like that. It is just a nice, cute, I won't call it simple. It's simple to install, but it's more than simple. You will not look like no basic, no basic person with this wig. Like this looks so cute. Like I said, all the information for this hair is in the description box below. If you have any questions about anything, definitely make sure to leave it in the comment section. But that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Adios till next time.